Hello my friends, today we start again with some leftover onions, garlic and so on, what we always have, bell pepper, leftover potatoes and Blumenkohl. So everything is in the pan including the, Blumenkohl is cauliflower, and now there come the cheese on top. So the cheese is on top, and now it comes to the oven. Take the handle off, close the oven, and wait 20 minutes. Looks very good already, and ping. You can take it out. So you share it now. So it's coming. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Thank you. And bon appetit for later. So, bon appetit, and that's it for today.